Welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. If today is your first time watching my video, you're welcome. Today's video is going to be on how you will be able to make money online. In today's video, we are focusing on how to make your Facebook page or profile turn into a money-making machine. So at the end of this video, I'll show you guys how you turn your Facebook page or profile into money-making machine. Your profile or your page is going to generate a lot of money for you. Now, how are you going to get money from Facebook profile or page? Now, we have two ways by which you can make money on Facebook profile or page. Now, I will take you through all these two ways. One is Facebook monetization, and then the second one is that you yourself will look for brands, you look for companies, you look for some business people to also place their adverts on your content that you are going to produce on Facebook. Now, these are the two ways to turn your Facebook into a money-making platform. Now, the first one that I'll talk about is Facebook monetization. How are you going to be paid by Facebook? Now, Facebook has a threshold. They have some requirements that you need to meet before you can monetize your Facebook profile or page. If you have a Facebook profile and then you want to make money, you have to change that to a page before you can monetize it. Now, the requirements are you need to have at least 5,000 followers on your Facebook page, and then you should need also a 60,000 minute watch time on your Facebook profile or your page. So after you have been able to meet all these requirements, then you qualify to join the Facebook monetization, and through that, Facebook is going to pay you every video that anyone is going to watch. Next thing that you can also do in order to make money online is that after you have generated a lot of followers and then you have a lot of engagement on your page, you can also look for businessmen, companies to also run their adverts on your page or through your videos, and through that, these people are just going to pay you. So these are the two main ways that you can make money on Facebook every day. Now, making money on Facebook, before you can just join any of these two ways of making money on Facebook, you must have content. It means that you have to, not that you just create a Facebook page, you just leave it like that and you'll be able to make money. No, you must have a content that you are creating. Okay, so you can decide to create your own content by which you decide on the niche that you are going to produce content on. You start uploading video and you make money out of it. Or you can decide not to do your own video. You just download other people's video and then you just place it on Facebook. But you have to make sure that where you are taking the video from is free copyright. Okay, it means that there is no copyright strike on that video. So if you place that video on your page, you are not going to be affected with copyright claim or copyright. So this is how you can turn your Facebook page into a money-making machine. Just keep on practicing these procedures and you will be able to make more money on your Facebook page. See you in the next video. Bye bye.